Hey everyone, today I am going to share the recipe of Brinjal Tawa fry. So come, let's cook. First we are going to prepare the paste which we are going to apply on brinjal. So add some oil to bowl. Next we are going to add the paste of ginger, garlic and some chilies. That is, take a small piece of ginger, 2 to 4 garlics and 2 to 3 chilies and make a fine paste of it. Next, half juice of lemon. Add about 2 tablespoons of chili powder. You can adjust the quantity of chili powder according to the spiciness you want. Next, add about 1 tablespoon of pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of fennel powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, about 1 tablespoon of garam masala, salt as per taste, about 1.5 teaspoon of chicken masala. It gives a nice flavor to the brinjal fry. Next, last is about add 2 tablespoon of rice flour. It's optional. If you don't have rice flour, you can add about 1 tablespoon of semolina, or you can use about 1 tablespoon of maida, that is all purpose flour also instead of this. Now add some water and mix it and make a fine paste, make a thick paste. Now cut the brinjal in these shapes, round circle shape. Next, apply the paste on both the side of brinjal. Make sure you apply it well. The masala should cover the brinjal. Now next, we are going to fry the brinjals. So first, in a pan, add some oil and add a small piece of butter. It enhances the taste of brinjal. So if you are not a brinjal lover, try this recipe. You will love to. Add one by one all the brinjals on the tawa. Now we are going to fry it. Make sure to check the brinjals because brinjal get easily burned. So always cook it on the low or medium flame. Once the one side is fried, you just twist the other side. So here the tasty brinjal tawa fry is ready. It's a must try dish.